Good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and this is just another Saturday. This Saturday, we are hiking to Oak Canyon Nature Center in Anaheim, California. Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me on another Saturday. Today we are hiking Oak Canyon Nature Trail in Anaheim, California. This is a 4-mile long loop trail. All Trails has it ranked as an easy difficulty, and parking was free. So I really had no reason for choosing this trail. I just saw it had a 4.7, 4.8 ranking on All Trails, so I knew it was gonna be a good one, so I just picked it today. So I have no idea what I'm in store for. I know there's a lake, and yeah. So, with all of that being said, let's let the journey begin. Alright, so far it's a pretty cool trail. Lots of wildflowers, and walking along the side of a mountain or a hill. And actually I see something right here that looks pretty cool. But so far I'm liking it. Check this out. Right here. Look at that. Like little mini caves or something up here. That's so cool. But yeah, so far I'm liking it. Up high. Maybe I should check my altitude. It's up higher than I thought it was, but so far I like it. So I will catch up with you in a minute. Alright, so if you took Roadrunner Ridge to start like I did, you're gonna have a split. Right here, left, right, left is upstairs. We're gonna go to the lake. So the lake is here on your left, up the stairs. So I know it's a little more difficult, but it'll be worth it. So we're gonna take a loop around the lake here, and then we're gonna continue on the loop trail. Actually, let's see. We're here almost. Oh, whoa, this is not what I expected. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, this is not what I expected at all. It's actually kind of ugly. There's a big ugly chain link fence around the lake. Oh, yeah, it's an ugly lake. Wow, that is not what I expected. I expected something prettier. Okay, well, let's continue our journey. Alright, guys, so I decided that I am going to walk all the way around the ugly lake. It's not what I expected. It's all paved, chain link fence with barbed wire. It's not what I was hoping for. But yeah, we can go ahead and do it. Otherwise, this will be a very short video, so catch up with you in a minute. Alright, guys, so it's hard to tell from this far away, but it looks like the lake has blue-green algae, which is very toxic to dogs. It'll kill your dog if it ingests it. So it looks like they have blue-green algae here, but I can't really say for sure because I'm really far away. But yeah, there you go. It's kind of, it looks like a blue-green color. If you see it up close, it looks like paint. It looks like there's like blue-green paint in the water, but that's blue-green algae. Very poisonous to dogs. Luckily, this place is all fenced off anyway, so you can't get in. But just for future reference, any other lakes you go to, look out for that blue-green algae. So, good to know. Alright, let's continue around the ugly lake. Okay, so it looks like I did find something worthwhile on the ugly lake trail. Looks like people have the stones that they paint and drop, and it goes on for a long time. Oh, look, someone really put some detail into that one. All along the ugly lake. So that is super cool. And it goes on and 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 on. Yeah, very cool. So it's not completely ugly. All right, I'll catch up with you in a minute. Alright, you guys, so I drew an arrow to help me find my way back from the ugly lake. So just got done completing the ugly lake loop. Personally, I wouldn't recommend it. It was just ugly concrete, blue-green algae lake. Although the rocks were cool, the rock art was cool, I did enjoy that. So aside from that, so you're not missing anything out. You're missing out on anything by missing the lake. So alright, so here's where we left off last time, and now we'll continue the way we didn't take earlier, to the right. So this area seems a little better, more nature-like than that concrete dirty lake. So alright, let's continue with the journey. All right, everyone, so I'm now on the loop section going back home, on the direction of home. This area is shaded and there's a creek over here, so this one area is actually kind of nice. And yeah, so, and then right when I say this is a shaded area, boom, sunlight. Yeah, this area is really nice and, I don't know if the word is serene. Okay, I will catch up with you later. We got a bridge. Okay, everyone, so I'm a little off track right now, but I strongly recommend, if you go on this trail, to take the All Trails map with you. There are multiple ways to go, which I didn't realize at first, but actually that makes it more fun. I actually prefer trails like that with multiple paths. So yeah, there's some signs here that'll tell you which way to go, and I'm gonna use my All Trails map to guide me. And I found a creek, I found a secret beach. It's been awesome so far. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun now. But yeah, just I did have a couple of other girls that were lost, so I helped told them which direction to come to get back to the parking lot. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. So make sure you have that map with you. It would come in really handy on a trail like this. All right, now let's continue. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I've already been out here a couple hours. I'm having a really good time. So I'm taking the long way home. This path is called Wren Way. It's a long way home, which is what I want to do. So I don't want this to end right now. So I'm extending my trip as long as possible. But yeah, so far, so good. It's very beautiful. Streams, bridges to cross, a lot of stairs, not too bad. The only thing I just wouldn't recommend that lake. That lake was pretty ugly. It was all concrete, chain link fence, blue-green algae. Just bypass the lake, but and then go and explore all these little side trails. And that's what I'm doing right now. So this is all new territory to me. I'm having so much fun. And yeah, this portion of mine has a lot more shade. So, praise the Lord. Is that a bridge? Oh, yeah, we got a bridge right here. Ooh, small bridge. All right. Just these views I have right here. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's up high. That's all I can tell you. All right, guys, so I'm on my way back now. I still got a ways to go, but this trail is so much fun. It's so much more fun than I thought it was going to be. There are just so many different directions to take, and those are some of my favorite trails, are the multi-directional trails. So that's what this is. All kinds of side trails to take, different routes, so it's never the same. So much fun. I love these trails. So heading back home now. And before you know it, be back in the parking lot. And there's a nature center too. I'm gonna buy some souvenirs of trinkets like I always like to do. Oh, here comes a bridge crossing. Let's end it here on the bridge crossing. Alright, it was a wide bridge right here. Alright, we'll cross the bridge. And then we'll wrap it up. Bridge crossing. Alright, we did it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next week. Thanks, and God bless you.